Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Binh Foods. Is this Binh or is this Simply Food? I think this is yeah, this is Binh. It's the same company, they just have different brand ranges and stuff. This is Kiwi noodles. I've never had such a thing. I'm very fascinated by this. So how do we do this? I'll show you. Kind of that I do on this show. Because this is a show where I tell you what to do with your instant noodles. Boy oh boy. First off, we got to get this sucker open. And we get that in there. What do we got here? I'm guessing these are, yeah, look at that. That's kiwi right there. I brought my own as well. That's enough. And there's some soup base powder. And then we add in the noodle block, which in there's some seasonings as well. Okay, come on, sucker. Stay open. Nah. Oh, the heck with it. Okay. We drop in this seasoning sachet. These are, looks like veggies. I'm very curious if this is going to be like super sweet or just have like a hint of kiwi. I don't know. We've got an oil sachet. I have a feeling this is infused with it too. Really neat concept. It has New Zealand kiwi in it. I wonder where all the places that they grow kiwi is. I don't know if they grow it here in the US. They might have the right climate for it. I remember, now don't think me weird for this, but I remember when kiwi came out. I mean, it's probably been in the universe for a very long time. It comes with an included fork too. But there we go. Lid on top. 3 minutes. So when I was a kid, all of a sudden they had kiwi, and they referred to it as kiwi fruit, and it was really popular for a while. It was like it was just brand new fruit. I don't think it was brand new. I think it was just like new to the US market. But interesting. I think we got a lurker. So yesterday, Miles got his second COVID shot. Seems to be doing good. He's got a sore arm, but that's about it.
I got a sore on it.
You got a sore arm?
Yeah.
Yeah. But other than that, you feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. Go play.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you. It's school today.
It is school today. Yeah. I'm trying to think. Is today the day I want to try slapping up the green screen and doing I was going to do a rundown of the subscription boxes that I get. It's Cyber Monday. I figure I could slap together a video pretty quick of the varieties that I do unboxings of. Because that might be something people want to get other people for Christmas or Hanukkah or I don't know, a holiday of your choosing. Christmas Kwanzaa? I don't know. But yeah, So I thought that'd be a fun thing to do. People might like that. Man, it's already 8. At least these two don't take very long. I'm getting kind of a sweet... I'm definitely getting a sweet scent off of this. I wonder if these will be sweet noodles. Interesting. Very interesting. I'm gonna give it a little stir right now. A little stir. There we go. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a sweet noodle. Strange. I did all that pumpkin spice stuff, so it's like, I wonder if all of a sudden with that, with this, if there's gonna be like a sweet onslaught coming on. Maybe that's gonna be the new market trend. That'd be kind of neat. I'm down with that. Anything different and unique is cool. In Japan, they've got, what is it, an apple pie one, a yakisoba, and they've got, what else? They had chocolate. They had a strawberry shortcake yakisoba. But those were all for Valentine's Day, and at least not the apple one, but the other ones were. And so I'm kind of like, they were a few years ago. I don't know if they're coming back. I really wanted to try them though. Okay, let's check out our kiwi noodle. There we go. Wow, look at that. Big chunk of kiwi in there. I wonder how rehydrated kiwi is. Let's find out. Here's a slice of that. Right there. Very tart. That kiwi was more sweet. Let's see how the noodle did. Gonna be hot. That is different. Wow. There's the broth. Wow, that is really different. I don't know what I think about that yet. We'll find out. Give it another stir, do another taste. I just got a hit of spicy too. That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay. Let's put this together. I got one more after this, and then it's time to fly. Okay. Then I brought some kiwi of my very own. Highly recommend trying it. It's decent if you've never had kiwi. It's cool. The little seeds are crunchy, but not like crunchy like break your teeth crunchy. They're crisp. They're crisp. Yeah. I think a little bit of heat would be nice. Maybe a smattering of seeds. I'm trying to think, wow, what else do I put on this stuff? I really don't know. I could put spring onion. Kind of going with the green theme on this one. Maybe a little batch of onion right there. Maybe going on with the fresh and crispness. I think that's about as far as I can go. I don't want to obfuscate the whole dish. Yeah, this is from I keep wanting to call it Taiwan, but it's definitely not from Taiwan. This is from Vietnam. Cool to get Vietnamese varieties. Kiwi! The next one we got came out of an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is the Sapporo Ichiban Tonkatsu Ramen. And what's interesting about this one, this is the bowl version. I've never had it, and it doesn't mention chicken. And usually the pack version said creamy white chicken broth or something like that. So that's the next one. See you next time.